Well, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled communities can crack down on sleeping in public, which could lead to legal troubles for the homeless population. Evan Papalis joins us with reaction to that decision in Lancaster. Evan.
Yeah, Dennis, that decision putting the power into the hands of cities, municipalities, and counties. It's a move some legislators say they can't wrap their head around.
It seems every week the decisions that the Supreme Court of the United States make get farther and farther away from morality, fairness, and justice.
Pennsylvania Democrats voiced frustrations Tuesday on the Supreme Court's ruling, upholding a ban on people sleeping in public places. The 6-3 vote making it possible for homeless people to be fined or even arrested for staying in public.
If the Supreme Court of the United States of America will not do its job to honor the Constitution of this fine country, then the General Assembly of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania will do that job.
State Representative Izzy Smith-Waddell talking about the 8th Amendment, cruel and unusual punishment. The Supreme Court finding that outdoor sleeping bans don't violate the amendment.
We have a lot of work to do, not only in making sure that people have somewhere to sleep and lay their heads, but also that they're not criminalized for situations they cannot control.
PA Democrats saying they won't accept it.
We will soon be introducing legislation to combat the criminalization of homelessness in this Commonwealth.
Republican Lancaster County Commissioner Josh Parsons says the High Court's ruling shouldn't change county protocol.
I don't think it changes a whole lot for us right now.
Lancaster dealing with a rising homeless population.
Homelessness increased in Lancaster County 13%, and we weren't keeping up with the need a year ago.
People want to live here, and that creates pressure on housing, both rental and owner housing. And so we have a very low vacancy rate, and that does create challenges.
Lancaster County is giving $5.3 million to the Housing and Redevelopment Authority, most of that money to focus on homelessness. Smith-Waddell's response when asked if that's enough?
No, we've got to go back for more dollars.
And the Department of Housing and Urban Development says there's more than 650,000 Americans who are homeless. Smith-Waddell says by punishing people in one area, they'll just get up and move and have to resort back to that same situation in another. Reporting for ABC 27 News, Evan Papalis.